Hello everyone, I am Ishita and together with my teammate Tanisha, we worked on a Power BI project titled Time Analysis COVID-19 in BRICS Nations. In this project, we use machine learning and Power BI to visualize how the pandemic evolved across Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Let's start with the overview page. Altogether, the BRICS countries reported around 209 million total cases and over 2 million deaths during the pandemic. On the right, we have the cases per million bubble map. The largest bubble belongs to China, followed by Brazil, then Russia, South Africa, and finally India with the smallest bubble. This visualization gives us a quick sense of how unevenly the burden of cases was distributed across the BRICS nations. Next, we look at the COVID-19 waves for each country between 2021 and 2023. India faced a devastating second wave in mid-2021 with a huge spike in new cases. China, on the other hand, stayed relatively stable in 2021 but had a massive late surge in 2022 and 2023. Brazil and Russia both experienced multiple moderate waves, while South Africa's waves were smaller but sharp and frequent, showing faster outbreak cycles. This page highlights how the timing and intensity of outbreaks differed across the five countries. Next, we compare total deaths and case fatality rate (CFR). Brazil reported the highest number of deaths at about 700,000. South Africa had fewer total deaths but a higher fatality rate compared to the others. On the vaccination chart, we plotted fully vaccinated percent versus new cases per million. China, with one of the highest vaccination rates, managed to keep new cases per million relatively lower. Brazil and India, with lower vaccination percentages, saw higher case counts. Russia fell in the middle; its vaccination coverage wasn't as high as China's, but it still helped moderate case numbers. South Africa had modest vaccination levels and faced repeated smaller waves, showing that vaccination progress was slower compared to others. This strongly shows that vaccination drives were crucial in reducing both infections and deaths, and countries with faster rollouts saw better outcomes. Finally, we have the COVID-19 timeline story, which ties everything together. In 2020, Wave 1 began, marking the first outbreak. In early 2021, vaccination started and deaths began to stabilize. In mid-2021, Wave 2 peaked, with India facing its most severe crisis. In late 2022 and 2023, China saw a major surge while the other BRICS countries stayed relatively stable. This timeline is like the narrative of the pandemic across BRICS. It shows not just the number, but also the sequence of key events that shaped the course of COVID-19. To conclude, our analysis reveals that while COVID-19 was a shared global challenge, its impact was very different across the BRICS nations. We learned that timing of waves, scale of cases, and vaccination coverage all played critical roles in shaping outcomes. On behalf of both Tanisha and myself, thank you for watching our presentation.